In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on Wix Studio. If you've ever made an edit and instantly wished you could go back, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to reverse a quick mistake and how to roll back to an earlier version of your site using Wix's built-in autosave history. Let's start with the simplest option, undoing your most recent change. Right after you make an edit you don't want, maybe you moved an element, changed some text, or deleted something by accident, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. That instantly undoes your last action and restores things to how they were just a moment before. It's fast, it's familiar, and it's perfect for those small, immediate corrections while you're still in the flow of designing. Now, what if you've made a series of changes and you want to roll back to an earlier point in time? Wix Studio has you covered with automatic saves that happen periodically in the background. These autosaves act like snapshots of your site, giving you restore points you can return to whenever you need. To access them, click the Wix Studio icon at the top left of the editor. From there, select Site, and then choose Site History. Inside Site History, you'll see a chronological list of saves. Each entry represents a version of your site that Wix captured for you. Before you commit to going back, you can preview each save. This is a safe way to check exactly what that version looked like, so you can confirm it contains the content, layout, and settings you want to restore. Take a moment to look through the preview and make sure it reflects the point in time you're aiming for. Once you've found the right snapshot, choose to revert to it. Reverting replaces your current site in the editor with the selected saved version, effectively undoing the changes made after that save. This is especially helpful when a design direction didn't pan out, or when you need to quickly restore a stable version after experimenting. A quick recap. For a quick fix, press Ctrl+Z to undo your last action. For broader rollbacks, click the Wix Studio icon at the top left, select Site, then Site History, preview the auto-saved versions, and revert to the one you want. That's all. With these two approaches, you can confidently experiment, knowing you can instantly step back or restore a previous version whenever you need.